Hi friends, Carrie here from Wrap Your Head Around Silks. Today we talk about straddling in the air. I wanted to focus on this because it is wholly different from straddling from the floor. Okay, and we need to have a different progression to it. Number one requirement is a straddle balance. Invert and straddle doesn't have to be pretty, but you have to be able to hold your hips up for 10 seconds. Number two, floor is lava. I love doing this with my kids students. Don't touch the floor, because what we're really training is our short arm. So you're straddling up from a short arm and then returning to that short arm. Number three, the first part of straddle climb. Straddle climbs are really hard. I don't need you at this point to climb up above it. Stand on the fabric versus the floor. From a bent knee, you're gonna egg up, turned out in a froggy position to come to your straddle position. Try to keep the hips up, legs in a T position, pushing up to the ceiling, and push your chest through your arms. And then reverse it, stand on the fabric. You're gonna do it on the right and the left 5 times each. Number 4, the most accessible straddle in the air to me is our split fabric into our double crochet. So climb up, split the fabric, you're gonna stand on it, you're gonna swish your legs through the center, bend to straight. So ballet term, développé up, développé straddle. So through the space, développé up, bend and snap a big wide straddle, and then double crochet your legs. To exit, we'll do a single cross behind, slide all the way down.
Number 1, straddle balance. The requirement is to be able to hold straddle for 10 seconds. Number 2, floor is lava. We are essentially training our short arm, which is necessary for you to do a straddle in the air. Now, I'm going to bend the arms to go up to my straddle, and here's the important part. As you come back into your froggy egg, you're going to bend arms and do that half pull up back to your upright position. Keep the hips nice and high as you go all the way back. A long arm straddle is the most advanced version that we have, so we want to make sure to bend the arms going in and out of it. Number 3, the first part of our straddle climb. So standing on the fabric, going to come onto that froggy egg that I like so much, curling the pelvis, coming from bent arms. Find your straddle, push your chest through your arms, and then we're going to hook over the hands, and then the free leg goes all the way back, and then you're going to repeat this on the right and the left 5 times each. Number 4, split fabric straddle. Opening the fabrics, we are going to swoosh our legs out and around to come through the center with bent knees, coming to our développé straddle, bent arms, bent knees, hips come all the way up in our frog position, opening up to a straddle nice and high with the legs. And for our exit, we're going to double crochet, crossing the fabric in the back.
All right, guys, don't give up on this one. This one can be really challenging, but if you get this exercise, it unlocks so much on silks. You can basically do all the big wraps and drops from really high up if you can straddle really well and solid up at the top. All right, guys, thanks for being here. See you next time.